Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be covering how to connect your Arlo camera to phone or Wi-Fi. To do this, you need to install the Arlo app. With the help of the Arlo app, we explained why your Arlo camera not connecting to Wi-Fi or app. Let's start. If your Arlo camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, then verify the correct Wi-Fi network name and password are entered in the Arlo app. Here, you need to check the Wi-Fi settings on your Arlo app. Ensure that the Arlo camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Minimize interference by keeping the camera closer to router and other Arlo devices. Place the Arlo camera far from other Wi-Fi devices. You can also reset the Arlo camera by pressing the reset button. Then you need to set up your camera again. You can also repairing it with the Wi-Fi network. If you recently changed your Wi-Fi network, then you need to update the Arlo device settings in the app. If your Wi-Fi router uses the VPN, then it may cause for the connection failure. If you are using a Arlo base station or smart hub, then connect it directly to the router instead of a Wi-Fi range extender or mesh nodes. When Arlo camera not connecting to your mobile app, then you need to check the app for update. Sometimes if your Arlo camera have pending updates, then your camera will not able to connect with Arlo app. Also check the official Arlo app. Because, in few cases user download the wrong app, and these apps can't able to find the Arlo cameras. You can also remove the app and reinstall it. If you are facing any problem with your Arlo camera, app and Arlo base station, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching. If this information is helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel.